Walking round Christchurch makes me sad. Think of all the things we had. Our building's proud, our people strong. Then the earthquakes came along. Through the damage and all of the aftershocks, our city's forever changed. We'll pick up the pieces and ourselves as we rebuild again. It's hard to believe it's all come down. It's like I'm standing in another town. See the rubble down Cashel Mall, and try and make sense of it all. Through the rumbles we stumble and realize that nature cannot be tamed. We'll grow stronger from lessons we have learned as we rebuild again. It's been one hell of a year of loss, uncertainty and fear. But here's a chance to start anew. Our future plans and what we do. So together we'll watch our city grow, different yet still the same. Honor people and places we have lost as we rebuild again. As we rebuild again.